Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to EVS class. In today's EVS class, we shall work with the book Plant Kingdom. In the book Plant Kingdom, open page number 5 where we have an activity, Importance of Plants. Children, in the previous class itself, we have learnt few uses and importance of plants. That we get food from plant, we get rainfall from plants and trees, we get clothes from plants, we get fruits, vegetables, everything from plants. Here are few more importances of plants. Let us see what they are. Trees give oxygen and reduce pollution. Children, I have told you that we breathe in air. The air we breathe in is called as oxygen. We get oxygen from trees. We get oxygen from trees, which is very essential for animals and human beings. And children, after breathing in, we breathe out, isn't it? What we breathe out? We breathe out carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is taken from green plants and trees and they give us oxygen to breathe. The next importance is source of food. Children, you can see here, giraffe is eating green leaves from trees. Cows are grazing grass and a girl, she is plucking fruits from the plant. So children, animals and human being get food from plants. The vegetables, fruits, the food grains, what all we eat, we get all those things from plants itself. Plants are the main source of food. Source of shelter. Children, you have seen birds build their nest in trees, isn't it? Here we can see monkey, birds, and even a man is taking shelter. You can see a squirrel here. All these birds, animals, and man takes the shelter from trees. So, trees gives us shelter, holds the soil in place. You can see the roots here, children. These roots won't let the soil to flow away with water. When we get heavy rainfall, the water from the rainfall used to take away the topsoil, which is very fertile. These roots avoid the soil flowing away in the water. So it holds the soil tightly. It won't let the soil to flow. Gives us many products. Children, apart from food, we have many more uses from plants and trees. The timber. We need wood for many purposes, isn't it? When we construct a building for doors, windows, even for furnitures, we need wood. This wood we get from trees. The food grains like paddy, wheat, jowar, ragi, all these food grains we get from plants. Fruits we eat, even vegetables we eat, we get from plants. The green leaves like coriander, mint, tulsi, all these things. Some medicinal plants also we get these things from plants itself. Jute, it is a plant product. Cotton, the cloth we wear are usually made of cotton. We get this cotton from plants. And sap we get from trees. Children, here are the importance of plants. So, after knowing all this importance of plants, would you like to grow more plants and trees in your garden? Yes, you should. Dear parents, kindly help your child in planting many trees and plants in your neighborhood so that we can get pure oxygen to breathe. And also we can reduce the pollution. Please help your child in learning these concepts. After knowing all these things, let us move on to the exercise part. In page number 6. In page number 6, we have an activity to match each part of the tree to its use. Here we have 4 pictures. Let us match each tree to its use. Trees gives us oxygen. We get oxygen from trees. Trees gives us shelter. You can see a boy sitting in the shade of the tree. So I matched it to shelter. Roots hold the soil firmly. It binds to the soil. Match it. We can see fruits here. So trees gives us food. After completing this, let us move on to the next activity where we have to color the pictures, trace and write the words given below. Here we have a banyan tree and an ashoka tree. Color them both. Children, do you know how to color the trees? The trunk and branches in brown and the leaves in green. The same with the ashoka tree also. Trace their names and write the same in the space provided. After completing this, let us move on to the next page. Tick the correct answer. What helps to bind the trees to the soil? Roots. Roots of the trees bind the soil. What is the source of oxygen for human and animals? It is none other than trees. Who takes shelter under a tree? Among these 3, birds take the shelter under a tree. After completing it, let us move on to the next activity where we have to color the pictures, trace and write the words given below. We have the picture of pineapple and jackfruit. Color them both, trace their names and write the same in the space provided. Dear parents, kindly help your child to know the importance of plant and complete the given work. Thank you.